Today we are going to look into how pay-per-click tracking works in price comparison script. Here I have logged in into a merchant panel, and first of all I'll go into product sales, and from here I'll click generate code. This is the code that I will copy paste into a shopping card like OS Commerce or any other card where I want to track orders from sales or from traffic that is sent from price comparison website. I have already copied this text in this checkout success of OS Commerce 2.2 version. Here you can see I am selected it's already pasted here. Okay, one thing to note here is that in the instructions, if I go to the instructions, yes, it says that order number and sale amount should be replaced based on that shopping cart actual value. So what this code that I'm going to show you right now will vary depending upon the shopping cart that you are using. This code is only for OS Commerce and it will work fine on OS Commerce. What I did here is that I ran a query on the MySQL table in OS Commerce, and I found out the order value, that is the total value of that particular order based on the order ID. The order ID was already available in the OS Commerce in this page. So I loaded two defines using order ID. One is for order value, total value, and one is the order ID itself. And then in the code I replaced them here. Basically this thing is technical. If you are not a webmaster yourself, you can just ignore it and pass these instructions to a webmaster who is working for you, and he can do it for you. Anyways, once I have entered a proper code, then I just upload this file to my shopping cart, and after that the tracking will work perfectly. What will happen is, suppose we come here, I select a product, I search for a product, and then I choose a product. Okay, let's try this, and I go to the store. After that, now just to see if the sales have been made, we come to the admin panel, and for that merchant where we placed an order, we'll go to this link, and we'll see a sales report. Okay, now once this page is loaded, we can see that all the orders that are being placed are showing here. Order number this, date this, commission was 10%. As you know, the order value was 79.95 euro, so the commission is 8. And this is status. All these orders are not auto approved. You can set them auto approved, but they are not, so that the admin has ability to um, manually overview it and then manually approve it, or either discard it or anything like that. Based on these orders, you can charge this merchant pay per sale. Besides this tracking that is supported in the system, there are third-party trackings also done by TradeDoubler, CJ, Commission Junction, Linkshare, and many other share a sale, like many other programs that is also supported in the system. So in short, I'll repeat again, either you can use cell tracking that is supported within the script, or if you are using any third party, that is also perfect for the script, and that will work fine. I hope this tutorial helps. Thank you. Feel free to contact.